Here we go. Hello there. Welcome to Studio 2105 Direct Access. My name is JD. I hope you guys are at home, staying safe, wash your hands frequently, take care of your personal hygiene, and practice your social distancing. Let me introduce myself. I'm a full-time musician. I'm also a producer, a recording/mixing engineer. I'm also the founder and owner of Studio 2105, which you can see around me here. So I've been in this industry for coming up to almost 20 years now. And one thing for certain, I'm really blessed to be able to do this job, to be able to make music, to be able to record, to be able to produce, to be able to mix music for people out there to listen to. I've worked with names like Estranged, Bangface. Some of you may even know me from a little rap rock band called Pop Shove It, but that's a story for another time. So what's Direct Access? So Direct Access is a program which I've been running for about the past 2 years now. It's a music production workshop where the students get to see and watch the entire production process of a song, from the initial demo right to the finished master, which is ready for release out to the public. So it's a combination of live demonstrations, classroom sessions, hands-on practical experience as well, and they also get to take the multi-tracks back home to mix, and then we usually run a competition to see who does the best mix, and they get a really nice prize from some sponsors. But as we know now, because of the COVID-19 virus that's affecting our lives, all manner of events like concerts, festivals, right down to small gigs, the little gigs and the small shows, all of these are either been postponed or cancelled or outright. Here in Malaysia, our government has also imposed a restricted movement order, which it's coming up to 2 weeks now. We have 2 more weeks to go, and who knows if this whole thing improves. Hopefully it ends in 2 weeks, or if it goes on a little further, no one knows. It's really too early to say. But because of this, all non-essential services have all been closed. Studios like mine obviously have to be shut. We can't really operate because we need musicians, we need singers, we need people to be coming in the studios to record and all that. Fortunately, I'm still doing some mix work, and all this can be sort of done remotely. We have to be creative with the technology that we have right now, using video conferencing software and the like. But if this goes on forever, this means everyone that I know in the music industry, whether it be the primary creators, and when I say primary creators, I mean songwriters, the musicians, the singers, the bands, are gonna be not able to make a living, to put food on the table. And this also obviously affects us down the line as well. Those of us who serve the primary creators, people like producers, arrangers, engineers, and studio owners like myself, we too we're not able to earn a living the way that we used to. This is where the Direct Access MixStream comes into play. What's Direct Access MixStream? Okay, there are a lot of online courses, online mixing courses, recording courses, music production courses that you can find on YouTube and many websites out there. So JD, what's so different about this? First of all, Direct Access MixStream is going to be very focused on our local and independent artists. I'm planning to do live streaming the mix sessions. We're going to be doing stuff like online tutorials. We're going to do even stuff like mix analysis, and maybe you can send me some ideas. The other thing, the most important thing though that I want to tell you is that you can help support the local independent artists directly through this Direct MixStream program. So how are we going to do this, JD? You might be asking. It's pretty simple. What I've set up is through the crowdfunding website called Patreon. You can sign up to become a patron with a monthly subscription fee as low as $3 a month, about 12 ringgit a month. You get VIP access, exclusive bonus content, one-on-one mentoring sessions, and even come here. get some practical hands-on training right here in the studio. I'll put a link down in the description, but all you need to go is patreon.com/studio2105. Again, links and the details will be in the video description below. So how does this help the independent artists? 50% of the revenue that's going to be made is going to go in support of the artist that's featured, and the remaining 50% is going to really help support my channel and to keep me going, basically. All right, alternatively, you can also use PayPal or even an online bank transfer, whichever way is most convenient for you. More details are going to be down in the video description. Just remember that 50%, all right, of your contribution is going to go towards supporting your local independent artists. Some of the simplest ways which you can help to support, especially when you're locked down back at home with nothing to do, is you can stream the music, stream their album, go to YouTube, watch their videos, watch their music videos. A lot of them are doing like online showcases, like live streaming performances right from their living room. Check them out and support them in all the way they can. Buy their merchandise, and God willing, when the RMO is lifted, when the whole pandemic thing washes over us, and when we can all go out again together and enjoy and lead back our normal lives, go out and support them at the live shows. Buy the tickets, go to shows, spread the word. If there's a time where we need a little bit of joy, a little bit of happiness and positivity in our lives, it is now. All we musicians, all we creators and artists, all we want to do is we just want to bring a smile to people's faces. We just want to make you happy, especially in this time which the world really needs. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting local music all this while. Keep staying safe, stay happy, stay healthy, keep making music. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for more updates. Take care now.